This model kit review is of the Porsche 928, and it is a AMT ERTL 124 scale model, and these are these weird little pop-up headlights, and this was supposed to be the future for Porsche, but didn't sell quite as well as the 911, so they went back to the 911, and let's have a look inside. This looks like this is the finished plastic model. This is an older kit. The wheels and tires are still quite flexible actually for being this old. Let's have a look at our parts. So here's our glass. We'll just need some polishing up. There are the front headlights and rear lights. There's the 928 body, and it's got some rough edges at the end of the edge of the mold, some mold lines that can be sanded down fairly easily. Here's our chassis, and we also have our wheels, radiator fan, looks like our lights, and some engine parts. And these two pieces come attached together. So this looks like this is the engine bay. We do have some ejection pin holes. We have our seats, radiator, our central console, some other engine parts, steering parts, and so on. This looks like this is for our hood there. We'll have to do it like that. And then here's the back part of the cockpit with the small seats, the inside of the doors, and our dashboard. I do like it when they mold the windshield wipers separately. Let's have a look at decals. Not a lot of detail for that instrument cluster there. Let's have a look at our instructions here. Let's open it up. These are the colors needed there. And we start off with the steering assembly in the front. And then the rear axle. Start to build the central console, as well as the cockpit. That's all put in onto the chassis. We'll glue the glass as well as the door panels on. Put on the radiator, as well as the air intakes and engine parts. Next to build the body pieces, and then the remaining body pieces. The chassis is in place inside the body, and here's our painting and decal guide. So all in all, not a lot of detail. Molding is okay, but still it'll be an easy kit to build.